Our next speaker really represents the journey that CDL Rockies and CDL is all about, and how impactful it can be when you bring together a great technology, a talented team, and truly extraordinary mentors. Grant Sandin is the CEO and co-founder of GeologicAI, which is a graduate of the CDL-Rockies Energy stream in 2019. GeologicAI has developed a multi-sensor, AI-driven platform that redefines how geological data is captured and helps mining companies make faster, more accurate, and more sustainable decisions. Since graduating in 2019, Grant and his team have raised a $30 million Series A, US, with lead investors of Export Development Canada and Breakthrough Energy Ventures. Grant has graciously decided to, or agreed to join us today to give a bit of an update to the community. So please join me in welcoming Grant Sandin.
Well, thank you very much. I'm truly grateful to be part of CDL, and thank you for CDL. Such a force for good in the world, and we're proud to be a small part of it. So it's really awesome. We're excited to become a partner as well and help support CDL through the future. So thank you for that. GeologicAI, absolutely. The world's facing a critical metals crisis. There's a copper supply cliff that's very real. We have new wedges of demand coming in. You saw this morning all the discussion on the big compute and AI and how important that is to the world, but it takes critical metals to get there. And so we need to do both the energy transition effectively, get electrified, and we need to power AI. And what you may or may not know about mining is it's a 17-year time window to go from a resource to a producing operation. We look at the nature of our technology is such that we recognize that geological understanding is the point of maximum leverage on this supply crisis. And we can use the tools that are being developed with AI to completely optimize the decision-making in mining. And so we took the model of creative destruction labs, which is better decision-making leading to better outcomes, and we're applying that to the resource space. And the goal of GeologicAI is to elevate that to the efficient frontier. And we've had some success that I'm happy to talk a little about. We were hosted a conference, or we're at a conference in Perth a month ago, and 70% of all papers were using our AI technology for understanding how to assess these mineral resources. Very exciting to have that. Lundin and BHP announced one of the most significant copper discoveries in the last 30 years. It's the first resource that was ever done by full-scale simulation. And so that assessment was done by our technologies as well. And so we have these sensor fusion in the field. We've got robots profitably scanning the world's rocks. They're taking that information, we're putting into complex and sophisticated models where we can model thousands of things at once, and we're solving the mixing problem in mining. And so where we are in our journey is we are solving the problems for the super major customers. And so we're in deployment phase for the top 10, which is something we're very proud of. But where we're going is how to approach the junior discovery market. And so we've looked at it and said we can't serve 1,000 customers all at once with AI models. What we can do is select a few juniors and give them the superpower of our technology for better decision making all the way through. And so when we partner with our junior exploration companies, we assess these assets, we decide who to partner with, and then we bring them everything that they need to accelerate, which is built off the CDL model. We're bringing them an investor syndicate, we're bringing them better decision engineering, and we're optimizing capital efficacy throughout the whole process of resource discovery and acceleration. And so we'd love to talk to you about it. And we'd love for you to join us in our journey. And if you want to talk to any of our folks, our exceptional mentors in the room, Dr. Chen Fong, of course, has been wonderful. Doug Beach and John Zgul are here today. So we'd love to talk to you. Thank you.